Hello, let's talk about clipper blade replacement, alignment, and maintenance. Do you want your clippers to last for years? How about decades? There are artists in our industry that have their grandparents' clippers from decades ago, and they are still working at peak performance due to ongoing maintenance. You will need your clipper, a number 1 Phillips head screwdriver, as well as an Andis blade brush, Andis Cool Care Plus, and Andis clipper oil. For blade replacement, use the number 1 Phillips head screwdriver to slowly loosen the blade screws until the screws come off. Now, set the screws aside. Remove the lower and upper blade. Grab your replacement blade and place the upper blade onto the drive and follow with the lower blade. With your thumb pressing on the lower blade, set in your screws. Turn the blade screw that's closest to the adjustment lever clockwise until tight. Then tighten the other screw. Now it's time to align the blades. Use the number 1 Phillips head screwdriver to slowly loosen the blade screws counterclockwise evenly. Do this in quarter-turn increments until the lower blade moves slightly. With your clipper in the closed position, use your screwdriver handle to tap down lightly on either side of the lower blade to reach the desired gap. Once you have the proper gap, adjust accordingly to make sure your blades are parallel. With your thumb pressing on the lower blade, turn the blade screw that's closest to the adjustment lever clockwise until tight. Then, tighten the other screw. Finally, check that your adjustments are still correct. If not, repeat the process. If the lower blade and upper cutting blade are parallel, check the gap of the blades with the clipper in the closed position. The gap is the distance between the tip of the upper blade to the tip of the lower blade and is approximately as thick as a business card. If the lower blade and upper cutting blade are not parallel or the gap is not correct, you will need to adjust the lower blade. Finally, show love to your clippers through proper maintenance and care. After completion of every haircut, lightly brush the hair off the clipper blades. Magnetic motor clippers are sensitive to hair buildup and not enough oil, so be mindful of these two things. After brushing the hair off from between the blades, turn the clippers on and use Andis Cool Care Plus to sanitize and disinfect. Turn your clippers off and wipe the excess onto a towel. For extended use, use Cool Care Plus to lightly lubricate your clippers throughout the cut. Finally, oil your clippers using the 5-point oiling system because this will ensure that they work at peak performance. Oiling also prevents the blades from getting too hot. Turn your clippers on to evenly distribute the oil. Tilt it to the side and place 3 drops of oil across the teeth of the blades and 1 drop at each back rail, letting the excess oil run off onto a towel. Here are some other helpful tips. Coil the cord and wrap with a loose tie. Prevent from wrapping the cord around your clippers, as this will cause premature wear. Handle your clippers by the tab and store with the blade facing towards the floor when not in use. To protect your blade during storage, use a clipper comb attachment or blade guard if available. Thanks for watching this Andis education video. Don't forget to share it. Hello, let's talk about clipper blade replacement, alignment, and maintenance. Do you want your clippers to last for years? How about decades? There are artists in our industry that have their grandparents' clippers from decades ago, and they are still working at peak performance due to